This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a better road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Good morning. We start the day by coming here to Solao. It's a nice restaurant. We have come here many times. So I noticed that after Ceramic Pro, they washed the car yesterday. It stays cleaner. They say that they hand wash it and then they apply a little bit of, I don't know, conditioner, whatever. So yeah, that's nice because Thailand is a very dusty country. This BYD Dolphin is getting quite smoothish. So yeah, so we have to ride two cars now. That's just how it is because of the car seat. But let's join up with the other. Oh, I think they are playing some stuff over there. Oh, there's a little playground here. Nice. Oh, Isabel wants to play. You want to play with Daddy? Come on. We'll do the slider. Man, it's freaking hot. Look at that, little princess. She's so stubborn, huh? Yeah, she damaged her knees yesterday. Fell on the concrete, so it's like Look at that. Always be grumpy. Oh yeah, this is nice atmosphere. Sit here in the open. The busy road is behind us there. Yeah, also put the fan toward me and Isabel because we are the polar bears. The ladies, they don't want too much coolness. Yeah, so yeah, we ordered some. I don't know what this is called. They put chili in it. There's some soup. We have tam som. Yeah, and then this is. Solao. This is for me. Tom yum kung. Oh yeah, I need to eat something nice and warm. And this is oh yeah, fried chicken wings. Oh, yum. Oh yeah. We cannot eat first because the ladies need to take photos of the food. It's kind of funny. I ordered nam anchan with less ice. Yeah, so we got less ice, but just less content. They didn't fill up the cup anyway. Let's try this. You know, I claim that this is the best papaya salad around here. It has a perfect balance between sourness, sweetness, and savory. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Oh. Another have tom yum kung. I know you're supposed to use this, but I'm just gonna use this. Oh yeah, I can smell. Oh yeah, it's good stuff, Isabel. Highly recommended if you come over here, Solao in Chiang Mai. Okay, now we're gonna head for Central Festival, and yeah, right now Oxford is asleep. He's probably so tired. Yeah. So yeah, you know there's a supercharger in Chiang Mai, V3 supercharger. Yeah, the weird thing is that in Thailand they roll out only V3, not V4, unlike in Europe. But the supercharger, they are not open for other cars. But I'm actually not going to visit it because I'm not sure how it works with EVMe. If I charge there, are they going to charge me money afterwards or something? So I'm like, okay, whatever. We have enough juice, so we can just go straight to Central Festival. We are now at Central Festival. It's 2 in the afternoon. And you see here, this is from Chiang. Yeah, wow, we didn't drive that far. 128 watt-hour per kilometer. This, you know, Thailand is perfect for EVs. Yeah, I started with 90% battery. We are down to 38%, so we should have enough. I don't think we need to top up before we go home. But let me just show you also, what is the temperature? 28 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and then you see here, this is sexy button or whatever, commander, right? So you see that we report that the battery is at 41 degrees Celsius. This morning when I came to the car, I had to cool down the car. It was around 25 degrees Celsius, which is close to ambient temperature. And then the cabin heat was then diverted to heating up the battery. And then after some driving, this is what we get. So I actually wonder if Thai cars, they have, actually Thai Teslas, yeah, not Thai EVs in general, but Thai Teslas, the way Tesla has been programmed, could maybe lead to more degradation. There was one guy I talked to at the meetup yesterday, the guy who had that spiced up Model 3 Highland. He said that he has driven only 60, 70,000 kilometers. I don't remember. It was less than 100,000 kilometers. And he also used Sexy Button, and Sexy Button claimed that he has 13% degradation. I was like, huh? That's way too high. It should be 5% maybe. So maybe I need to investigate, but that will require some time. Yeah, okay, but now, okay, the ladies, they're outside there. Axel, he is awake now. So the ladies want to do some stuff over here. I'm not sure what's up. And then Isabel, she's asleep. But I think we need to wake her up because she had now around 45-minute nap, which is what she should get nowadays. Otherwise, she will go to bed late. But yeah, she loves the Cybex Anoris tea. Isabel, you little princess, it's time to wake up. Did you sleep well? Come on, let's go to the bounce land. Did you sleep well? You did? Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, yeah. Ah, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Little princess. หลับสบายไหม Huh? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Are you ready? Yeah! Fully charged. We're back at Central Festival with the Christmas music. And then Isabel is with me right now. And then the other guys, they are with Axel and yeah. So I'm gonna go to the bounce land and then supposedly I need to go play with Isabel in the playground. And then the ladies, they can do some lady stuff. I don't know what the heck it is, but yeah. But this is one-to-one, you know. I have one kid alone, whereas they have one kid and two adults. They have it easier than me. Right, we're in the bounce land now. Yeah, one child more than 81 centimeter and one adult is 420 baht for 2 hours. 1 hour is 390, so it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, here you can bounce, you can slide, you can spend a lot of time here. The only problem is that there is no additional air conditioning, so it is somewhat hot. Feels like around 25 degrees Celsius here. I'm gonna be so sweaty after a while. So I'll probably, wait, do we have a locker here? I have to bring the camera. Oh, okay. Oh, baby, okay, Isabel, yeah, okay. Daddy's coming. Okay. Where do you want to go? Here, okay, let's go. Up, okay, up. You go up. Daddy's coming. Yeah, come on. Yeah, good girl. No, wait, you have to take off the shoes. Isabel, come on. You have to take off the shoes. Isabel, come on. I said, yeah, Isabel. Ini. Ini Isabel. Ini. I don't know what's up with this place, but it is constantly hot here. Oh, a guy just walked right in front of the camera. He didn't pay attention at all. Shit. Oh, that was 2 hours. Actually, 1.5 hours, and then we had a half-hour chill time. So, Isabel, did you like it? You will come back? Okay, let's try to find mommy, huh? You know, man, I'm hot now. And if this was Norway, I could just step outside and get some chill. But now, no, Isabel, she just rubbed the microphone. Are you a cat? But here, if I step outside, it's gonna be warmer than inside. Oh, shit. At least I shouldn't be complaining because in Norway now we have 0 to -2 degrees Celsius. Oh, I called Maya and thought that Maya was with Amory. Well, no, they split up. So the way it works now is that Amory wanted to go alone, and then Maya was stuck with Axel for 2 hours also. So and then I was stuck with Isabel for 2 hours. So freaking wifey went alone for 2 hours to get some what was it again, lashes extended, whatever they do, man. So yeah, I think they're still over there. But then Mia wants to pee. She hasn't peed in 2 hours. What the heck, man? Let's go. Okay, group is gathered now. So wifey, she went for this lashes extension and she's not happy. She did it here in Central Festival. There is 2 types. There is mostly a thin type and a thick, and then she said, no, I just want the normal thin. And then for some reason the sale just went for the thick, and then it looks freaking horrendous, man. Paid 700 baht. 700 baht, 700 baht. Well, I mean, I said, normally I don't want to confront anyone, but I feel like I need to protect my family. So I was like, well, I can go ask them, hey, you need to undo this shit. And if they don't follow, then we just start filming them. But okay, whatever. It's going to be a lesson learned then. Yeah. And she will go to their favorite place, not in this mall, next week. Yeah. Lashes, man. What is the point? Okay, first we wanted to go to this night market, which is only open on Monday and Tuesday. It's called Rum Chok, but it requires extra time to drive there and find parking. And then since we're already at the Central Festival, they have this at the G floor. They have so much food here, lots of street food. They have fish, they have fried stuff, they have there's a lot here. So we can just buy whatever food we want here, and then go back to the home, the Airbnb home. Just gonna show you guys what it was. A donut. We have some dried fish. Some oh man. Let's see. They also have juice, freshly, fresh juice. I might want this, but many places they have they add sugar. So I need to make sure that it is 100% fresh. Yeah, here, fresh juice. Oh yeah. And then food is over there. This is more like extras. I can show you here also. What do we have here? Dried mangoes. I love these. 150 baht. So it seems like fried seafood. Kemu. Well, this looks like rock, but it's not. Khao lam. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nam kek hoi. Isabel likes this. Namanchan. Yeah. Guava. Oh yeah. Dessert, plenty of dessert. And also these orange juices, they have it everywhere. Okay, let's see. Let's find wifey and the rest of the group. Well, it's funny because we had 2 strollers with us, but no children were in there. We had to carry them. But yeah, look here. This is quite cool. We're gonna put the food in the front. Might as well. Hold this for 3-4 seconds. Open the front. It's a sexy button feature. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's convenient to just put everything in the front. Especially now when in the evening it's not over hot in there. And the same thing every time. Yeah. We just drive. Axel cries like a baby. ABC always be crying. We are back at the Airbnb place now. It's almost 8 in the evening. We have 34% battery left. Should be enough, yeah, to go home tomorrow. But Axel was crying all the way back home here. 20-minute drive. And Isabel is asleep. How can she sleep with that noise, man? But she must have been exhausted after the bouncing all day. Well, it was roughly 1.5 hours of running around and climbing and sliding and bouncing. So, yeah. But we are a bit late. We should have been here by 6, not 8. So we have to do the evening routine, shower, feeding, and brushing teeth. So might have to wake her up. Yeah. Otherwise, if we let her sleep now, then she might wake up in the middle of the night hungry. Okay, so since I'm not that hungry, then I let the ladies eat first. Yeah. There's some noodles there, some... Oh, Isabel, eat the fried chicken. Good. Yeah, fried chicken wing. Yum, yum, yum. อร่อยไหม Yeah, good girl. And then she also had this ไส้กรอกอีสาน Yeah, ของเมย์ Okay. Yeah. Don't forget to comment about the plastic. But yeah, so and then I carry Axel. This. And then you see What is weird about this living room is that there is no air conditioning here. So it gets a bit hot in the afternoon, evening. So, but we have air conditioning here. Yeah. So what I do is that I just put the air conditioning on 23 degrees, which is a bit cold. And then we use this big ass fan to blow the cold air out to the rest. Yeah. Well, but this is the last night. Tomorrow morning we check out. So, I mean, it's nice to be in Chiang Mai. You know, there's lots of stuff to do in Chiang Mai, and plus that we had to do some stuff here. Wifey had to actually come over physically in person to the SCB bank, so she could access the app. Yeah, she lost access to it or something. I don't know. And then I also had to buy some stuff. But it is actually a lot more chill to stay in Chiangdao. Right? Actually, you're getting tired, getting sleepy. So you're gonna go back to Chiangdao tomorrow, and then the day after tomorrow, I'm gonna drive the Model 3 back to Bangkok. Oh, yeah. When I spoke to some of my Norwegian friends or people I know in Norway, they said, "Oh, enjoy your vacation in Thailand." I'm like, well, it's more like vacation / work. Yeah. But anyway, I think there's not much more going on there, just family stuff. So yeah, have a nice evening. Good night.